Hours and hours working with FL Studio or Ableton or whatever just to create something like this. But you want to be a DJ so bad? Well, AI has got your back. I made this in 10 seconds. Just listen. Amazing, right? I know you want to know how to do this too. Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can become an amazing DJ superstar with AI. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Go to Suno. It's a free-to-use AI music generator. Go to Create. And now make sure to toggle on Instrumental. Now go to ChatGPT and ask, I want to generate an EDM song with AI. Please give me the style of music in keywords. Okay, that is too long. Let's ask for something shorter. Amazing. Now copy it and paste it into Suno like this. Give your track a name and press Create. Now it will generate 2 versions, 2 tracks. Let's have a listen. Just amazing. Let's listen to the second one. Okay, nice, let's download them. You can download the audio, or you can opt to press download video. But then you will get something like this. I do not really like this. So just download the audio, and then go to Leonardo AI to generate the image for the song. But let's first ask ChatGPT the following to give us an image prompt. Give me an image prompt in text form that perfectly illustrates the music. Okay, nice. Now generate that prompt in Leonardo AI. Marvelous. Now combine the audio with the image in CapCut and add your DJ name. When you are done, export your track in 4K and be ready to upload it everywhere and become a DJ superstar. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Become the first ever amazing super AI DJ superstar. Have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.